Question number 21. X to the power b upon x to the power c raised to the power 1 upon bc multiplied by x to the power c divided by x to the power a raised to the power 1 upon ca multiplied by x to the power a divided by x to the power b raised to the power 1 upon ab is equal to how much? So I can write the given expression as x to the power b minus c divided by bc multiplied by x to the power c minus a divided by ca multiplied by x to the power a minus b divided by ab. Since the bases are same, so I will directly add the powers. It will be b minus c upon bc plus c minus a upon ca plus a minus b upon ab. Now this will further simplify to x to the power 1 upon c minus 1 upon b plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon c plus 1 upon b minus 1 upon a. Cancelling the terms, it will become x to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So my correct answer of this question will be option number C, that is 1. Which number lies between 2 and 2.5? सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है. दिस नंबर विल बी somewhat greater than 3, so this number won't lie between 2 and 2.5. This number will be square root of 2, which will be equal to 2 root 2, which is equal to 2 into 1.4, that is somewhat it will be 2.8. So this number will also not lie between 2 and 2.5. Now my options are basically cube root of 7 and cube root of 9. Now this cube root of 9, now this cube root of 7 will be less than 2. So my only option that is feasible here is cube root of 9. This is how we solve the questions even if we don't know the value. I don't know what is the value of cube root of 8 or I don't know what is the value of cube root of 9. बट मुझे ये पता है कि क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7 की जो वैल्यू होगी वो 2 से कम होगी. दैट आई नो. I don't know exactly what will be the value of cube root of 11, square root of 11, but I know that the value of square root of 11 will be greater than 3. अब मुझे exact value थोड़े ना निकालनी है भाई. I have to calculate the approximate value. अब ये जो square root of 8 है, मुझे ये पता है कि square root of 8 can be written as 2 root 2 and value of root 2 is 1.414 dot dot dot. बट 1.4 तो आएगा ना, तो इसकी जो भी वैल्यू होगी वो 2.8 से तो ज्यादा ही होगी. और मुझे तो 2 और 2.5 के बीच में चाहिए था ना. इसीलिए we calculated this question by using the method of elimination. This I called as the method of elimination. Question number 23. This is a very simple question. See, 2 raised to the power 73 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 71, which is equal to 4 into 2 raised to the power 71. Next is 2 raised to the power 72 can be written as 2 raised to the power 1 into 2 raised to the power 71, which is equal to 2 into 2 raised to the power 71. And this 2 raised to the power 71 will remain as it is. So now my given expression will reduce to 4 into 2 raised to the power 71 minus 2 into 2 raised to the power 71 minus 2 raised to the power 71. So this will be equal to 2 raised to the power 71 multiplied by 4 minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to, finally it is equal to 2 raised to the power 71. So option number C will be the correct answer of my question. Square root of 20 is nothing but 2 root 5, and square root of 5 is nothing but square root of 5. So square root of 20 multiplied by square root of 5 will be equal to 2 root 5 multiplied by root 5, which is equal to 2 into 5, which is equal to 10. इसको आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे, दिस इज नथिंग बट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 100 which is equal to 10. तो बोथ द मेथड से आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते थे. Now here what I will do is I will write 5 raised to the power x minus 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2x minus 8. Now this 225 I will write as 25 multiplied by 9. So this will be 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2. Okay. Now what I will do is I will compare the powers of 5 and compare the powers of this 3. So x minus 3 will be equal to 2, that gives me x equal to 5, and 2x minus 8 is equal to 2, that also gives me x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 will be the correct answer of my question. Okay. Next question is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 whole raised to the power minus 1. तो पहले इस क्वांटिटी को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. So the LCM will be equal to 30. This will be 10 plus 6 plus 15 raised to the power minus 1, which is equal to 31 upon 30 raised to the power minus 1. So my answer will be equal to 30 upon 31. That is option number C will be the correct answer of my question. The value of polynomial x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 3 at x equal to minus 2 will be, so its value will be minus 2 square plus 2 into minus 2 plus 3, which will be equal to 4 minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 3. So the value will be equal to option number A, that is 3. The polynomial 3x square plus 4x is, since there are two terms in this polynomial, so this is a binomial. That is option number A will be the correct answer. Polynomial x plus 2x plus 3x cube. Now since there are three terms in this polynomial, term number 1, term number 2 and term number 3, so this polynomial will be a trinomial. और अगर आपसे डिग्री पूछता तो the degree of this polynomial would have been 3. So this was the method of solving this. The degree of this polynomial is basically x square plus x cube plus x to the power 100. So the degree of this polynomial will be the highest power of x, which is equal to 100. So the degree of this polynomial will be 100. Option number C will be the correct answer of this question.